Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you a shortcut to edit in Premiere. Basically, in order to make a cut, what you usually have to do, I'll go ahead and pretend that this part is edited. Okay, so I'll start here, and then what I would have to do, I'll go ahead and zoom in. I'll go ahead and select all of the tracks and do Shift-Command-K to do an edit. Otherwise, you can just do Shift-Command-K and then left key and push D to select the thing that you want to cut out. So I'll push delete and then I'll right click and do ripple delete. Okay, so I went ahead and changed my keyboard shortcuts. For Z, I changed it to ripple delete. For X, I did add edit to all tracks. And then for C, what I did in Better Touch Tool, I created a key sequence that'll push D to select the tracks, then it'll push X to cut it, and then Z to ripple delete. So I'll go ahead and push C, which will do all those three keys for me. So watch. Boom. So cool. So I can go through, do X to cut, and then C to go ahead and cut out the part that I don't want. Pretty cool. I'll share the steps with you in the Better Touch Tool shortcut, but just something I was doing and wanted to share. If you have any questions, you can email me at hello@theproductivityshop.co or join the Productivity Shop Slack channel. Thanks for watching. See you later. Here's how to set up the shortcuts step by step. Go to Premiere, and I go to the help and search keyboard shortcuts. Then when this window comes up, I'm going to click on ripple delete, and I'll go here, and I'll just push Z. Next, I'll go to X. Do the same thing. I'll do add edit to all tracks. I'll click here and I'll push X. Next, I'll go to Better Touch Tool. I'll go to select app from running apps and go to Premiere. Then I'll go to Premiere and do key sequence, new key sequence. I'll push C. I'll deselect delete typed characters after recognition. Save, and then for assign first action to selected trigger, I'll just do some keystrokes. So it'll be D, X, Z, V. So select the clip, make an edit to all tracks, ripple delete, and then go back to the select tool.